If you've ever wanted to get started using video, then this Video Kickstart series is for you. I'm Cheryl Tan with CherylTanMedia.com. Companies come to me when they want some guidance on content strategy, video marketing, and consistency. I love all of that. And so this Video Kickstart is designed to help you with that. So I first wanted to start to talk about why video and why you should do it. So video is everywhere, and it creates a connection that is really hard to beat other than a face-to-face interaction. Video is really the next best thing, and that's why I love it. But so many people have this barrier. They feel this barrier about starting to use video. They worry about their hair, their makeup, their clothing, their lighting, their equipment, their message. There's so much that can stop you from creating video. So this Kickstart series is designed to change all of that, to give you some things to think about if you are interested in using video. So here I am. I'm in a studio location in Virginia Beach. I'm at 1701 off of Baltic Avenue, and I'm getting some help from a friend, from Chris Lane. Wave your hand, Chris. And I'm shooting this video with my iPhone. I'm using a little bit of his light, but I'm actually not even using his set. You're actually seeing his set for some videos we helped him create just a little bit ago. But what I wanted to let you know regarding that is that we need some help sometimes. We are using each other as accountability partners because we have all the stuff. We can create videos just as easily from our own locations, but sometimes we need a little bit of guidance and a little bit of a push, a kickstart, if you will, to get us going. And so this is that. What I hope to share with you in this video series, some tips and tricks to get you going, to help you understand that we are all doing the same thing. We're all trying to get our message out there, trying to get our thoughts into the world. And this is designed to help you do that. So stick around. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell so you get that notification. And I'll see you in the next video.